You are listening to number one radio station, Radio Satwa 20.03, live from Satwa studio in a sizzling hot Ahmedabad. Chill with Radio Satwa because dosto, it is cool. Stay tuned, stay cool. 20.03 Radio Satwa, brand new, epic.
હેલો એવરીવન, આજે આપણી સૌની આતુરતાનો અંતનો દિવસ છે અને આ દિવસ છે સત્વ રેડિયોના એકદમ નવા નક્કોર ફ્રેશ એપિસોડનો, જેમાં આપણે ઘણું બધું નવું જાણીએ છીએ, સાંભળીએ છીએ, समझिए છીએ। जैसे कि आज मेरे साथ है छोटा सा प्यारा सा आरव फ्रॉम ग्रेड 3। उसे है ना बहुत सारे सवाल है, क्या हम उसकी मदद कर सकते हैं? तो चलिए मेरे साथ, मतलब कि आपकी आरजे दिशा के साथ सत्व के सफर में और आरव के सवालों का जवाब ढूंढने, ओनली ऑन सत्व रेडियो 20.03। इट्स कूल।
You are listening to number one radio station, Radio Satwa 20.03.
Hello everyone, my name is Arav. Today I am going to recite a beautiful Hindi poem. हमसे सब कहते, नहीं सूर्य से कहता कोई धूप यहाँ पर मत फैला, नहीं चांद से कहता कोई कब उठा चांदनी को ले जाओ, कोई नहीं कहता हवा से खबरदार जो अंदर आए, बादल से कब कहता कोई खबरदार अगर बारिश बरसाए, फिर क्यों हमसे भैया कहते यहाँ न आओ भाग जाओ, अम्मा कहती घर भर में खेल खिलौने मत फैला, पापा कहते बाहर खेलो खबरदार जो अंदर आए, हम पर ही सबका बस चलता जो चाहे वो डांट लगाए। Thank you so much guys. I hope you all enjoy my poem.
Radio Satwa, brand new, epic.
वेलकम सत्वाइट्स, आप सुन रहे हैं रेडियो स्टेशन 20.03 FM और मैं हूं आपकी मस्ती भरी दोस्त कम होस्ट वंदना, जो लेकर आई हूं आपका फेवरेट शो। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड फ्रेंड्स। फ्रेंड्स, इस म्यूजिक को सुनकर आपको तो कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा होगा, लेकिन यस, आपके पेरेंट्स के दिल और दिमाग पे एक अलग सी लहर चलने लगी होगी मालगुडी डेज को लेके। मालगुडी डेज इज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ शॉर्ट स्टोरीज ऑफ R.K. नारायण। इसी बारे में आपको डिटेल्स में बताने आ रहे हैं ग्रेड 12 के क्रिश। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड टू 20.03 FM फॉर द सत्वाइट्स बाय द सत्वाइट्स।
हाय माय फ्रेंड्स, शायद आपको थोड़ा नया लगेगा, बट आपके पेरेंट्स एंड दादा दादी को अपने ज़माने कुछ याद आ गया होगा। आई एम क्रिश बंसल फ्रॉम ग्रेड 12 कॉमर्स एंड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द लेजेंडरी टीवी शो मालगुडी डेज। एंड उससे भी बड़ी बात, आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट आर द लेजेंडरी एंड द मोस्ट सेलिब्रेटेड ऑथर R.K. नारायण। उनका पूरा नाम रसीपुरम कृष्णस्वामी अय्यर नारायण स्वामी। He created his own fictional town Malgudi and all his stories revolve around it. उनका लिखा इसलिए फेमस हुआ because he talked about simple things, small things जो हम अपनी रूटीन जिंदगी में एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं। He is the recipient of all the famous awards, but the biggest award we will be always remember for centuries for making the common people feel that their story is being narrated. मुझे लगता है आपको भी शायद अपने बचपन वाले दिन याद करने होंगे। So I am giving a list of 2 or 3 of his famous books or novels must read is The English Teacher, The Man-Eater of Malgudi. And if you are interested in going sync with these famous authors, watch Malgudi Days on Amazon Prime and experience the beauty of simplicity and vastness of an Indian iconic narrator and writer, R.K. Narayan. Thank you.
Radio Satwa, brand new, epic.
તમને એમ પૂછવામાં આવે કે સૌથી મોટો રોગ કયો, તો તમે કહેશો કોરોના। બધા એવું જ કહે કે કોરોનાએ તો આપણને છે ને સૌ ફ્રી કરી દીધા, પણ એ જ કોરોનાએ આપણને ઘણું બધું શીખવાડ્યું ના। વોટ્સએપ યુનિવર્સિટીવાળું નહીં હો, આપણી અંદર છુપાયેલી આપણી ટેલેન્ટ. ખબર જ નથી કે આપણે આમ પણ કરી શકીએ, આપણી અંદર આ ટેલેન્ટ પણ છે. હા, એવી જ એક છુપાયેલી ટેલેન્ટને આપણી સામે રજૂ કરશે હીર ફ્રોમ ગ્રેડ 6 ઓનલી ઓન સત્વ રેડિયો 20.03. Stay tuned.
You are listening to number one radio station, Radio Satwa 20.03.
नमस्ते मित्रों, मेरा नाम हीर पटेल है। मैं कक्षा 6 में पढ़ती हूँ। मेरी स्कूल का नाम सत्व विकास स्कूल है। मैंने एक कविता लिखी है कोरोना के बारे में, तो आज मैं आपको उसको सुनाना चाहती हूँ। तो चलो पहले थोड़ा हंसी मजाक कर ले। बेटा अपनी माँ को पूछता है, माँ आपने मुझसे झूठ क्यों बोला? माँ कहती है, नहीं बेटा ऐसा तो नहीं है। बेटा कहता है, तो आपने ऐसा क्यों कहा कि मेरी छोटी बहन एक परी है? माँ कहती है, वो परी ही है बेटा, और आप ऐसा मुझसे क्यों पूछते हो? तो बेटा ने कहा, नहीं माँ वो परी नहीं हो सकती, क्योंकि जब मैंने उसे बालकनी से नीचे फेंका तो वो उड़ी ही नहीं। अब मैं आपको मेरी कविता सुनाना चाहूंगी। कर्म परायण धरती पर आई विपदा भारी, अज्ञानता के कारण ही फैली कोरोना महामारी। अज्ञानता के अंधेरे को मिलकर हमें हटाना है, कोरोना के उपाय को जन जन तक पहुंचाना है। समय समय पर हाथ को धोना, समय समय पर आना जाना, 2 गज की दूरी बनाकर इसको है भगाना। बाहर जाओ तो मास्क पहनना, कोरोना से बचना। जागो मेरे देश के वासी, जागो जन समुदाय, जन जन की जागृति से कोरोना विपदा जाए। कोरोना के कारण जब अर्थतंत्र डगमगाया, आत्मनिर्भर का मंत्र देकर प्रधान सेवक ने जगाया। आत्मनिर्भर बने ये भारत, तब हो सबका उत्थान, सच्चे अर्थ में तभी होगा मेरा देश महान, मेरा देश महान। मर रहे हैं हजारों लोग कोरोना के कारण, यह रुक बीमारी है, सर्वत्र व्याप्त महामारी है। सभ्यता पर सर्वत्र लुटाकर ज्ञानी ज्ञान बताते हैं, मानवता का चीर हरण कर विज्ञानी विज्ञान बताते हैं। यह रुक बीमारी है, सर्वत्र व्याप्त महामारी है। कर्म परायण धरती पर आई विपदा भारी, अज्ञानता के कारण ही फैली कोरोना महामारी। अज्ञानता के अंधेरे को मिलकर हमें हटाना है, कोरोना के उपाय को जन जन तक पहुंचाना है। कोरोना के उपाय को जन जन तक पहुंचाना है। धन्यवाद।
Radio Satwa, brand new, epic.
India is the wettest inhabited place in the earth, and the most popular game, Snakes and Ladders, originated only in India. है ना ये मजेदार फैक्ट्स? और मजेदार फैक्ट्स अबाउट इंडिया लेकर आ रहे हैं हेत पटेल ऑफ ग्रेड 7. So stay tuned to radio station 20.03 FM from the Satwites by the Satwites.
You are listening to number one radio station, Radio Satwa 20.03.
Hello friends, I am Heath from grade 7 and I am here to share some interesting facts about India. First, mysterious anti-gravity hills in Ladakh, known as Magnetic Hill. With the anti-gravitational effect, this is the only magnetic hill in India, landmarked by a yellow notice board that spells out instructions and asks you place your car on neutral gear right on the spot marked by white paint. This one will leave you in awe as your car will begin to move uphill on its own. Second, world's only floating post office is in Dal Lake in Srinagar. India is not only known for the most significant number of post offices in the world, but it has its very own floating post office on Dal Lake in Srinagar. Perched on a houseboat, it also includes a philately museum within itself. Third, the tiny village of Madhopati is called the officer's village in India. A small village in Janpur district of Uttar Pradesh Madhupati has created history by producing the most number of IAS officers. With about 75 households, it has given 47 officers to Indian administration. Fourth, the highest cricket ground in the world. India is a cricket-loving nation. The highest cricket ground in the world recorded by the Guinness Book is situated at a level of 2,144 meters above sea level in Chail, Himachal Pradesh. Fifth, Indian national Kabaddi team has won all World Cups. India is where the game of Kabaddi originated, and the Indian national Kabaddi teams make sure it brings all the 5 World Cup trophies home. Sixth, world's highest rail bridge is in Jammu. About 35 meters taller than the Eiffel Tower, Chenab Bridge is in Jammu and Kashmir is the world's tallest rail bridge. It stands at the height of 1,178 feet over the river Chenab. So friends, see you in our next radio show with some more interesting facts. Till then, bye-bye.
Radio Satwa, brand new, epic.
જાદુ જાદુ મેજિક નાના છોકરાઓને સૌથી વધારે ગમે ને તો મેજિક શો. એમને ભરપૂર આનંદ આવે. એવા ઘણા બધા શબ્દો હોય જે સાંભળને આપણે પણ મજા આવે. એવા ઘણા બધા મેજિક વર્ડ્સ પણ હોય. આ શું મેજિક અને વર્ડ્સ? We have Shruth from grade 1 only on Sattva Radio 20.03 and feel the magic.
You are listening to number 1 radio station, Radio Satwa 20.03.
Hello everyone, I am Shrutra from grade 1. Today I am going to sing the song Magic Words. When you say something you won't remember what to say, here it goes, a magic word, you can use it every day. Please, please, please. Yes, this is a magic word, start using it today. When we get someone to help, remember what to say. Here it goes, the magic word, start using it today. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, this is a magic word, start using it today. When we make a mistake, remember what to say. Here it goes, the magic word, you can use it every day. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Yes, this is the magic word, start using it today. When we sneeze, cough or yawn, remember what to say. Here it goes, the magic word, start using it today. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Yes, this is the magic word, start using it today. Thank you everyone.
Radio Satwa, brand new, epic.
नमस्कार, हम हैं ज्ञान गुरु, आपके अपने ज्ञान गुरु। तो मेरा आज का ज्ञान है कि कुछ लोग इतना लेट रिप्लाई करते हैं, कुछ लोग इतना लेट रिप्लाई करते हैं कि समझ नहीं आता रिप्लाई कर रहे हैं या कुरियर भेज रहे हैं। ओम नमः शिवाय, नमः शिवाय, नमः शिवाय।
Radio Satwa, brand new, epic.
તમે ક્યારેક કોઈકને એવું કહેતા સાંભળ્યું છે કે યાર તે તો મારા મનની વાત કરી લીધી? ઘણી બધી વાર એવું થાય ને કે આપણે જ ક્યાંક અટવાઈ ગયા હોય ને એવું થયા કરે. આપણા સવાલોમાં આપણે જ ગૂંચવાઈ જઈએ અને એવું લાગે કે કંઈક અટવાઈ ગયા છીએ. તો યાદ આવે આપણને આપણા પોતાના રિસ્પેક્ટેડ જયશ્રી મેમની, જેની સાથે આપણે આજ આપણા મનની વાત બિંદાસ કરવાના છીએ. તો સાંભળતા રહો સત્વ રેડિયો 20.03. ઇટ્સ કૂલ.
Hello ma'am, this is Krish Bansal from grade 12. I am very curious about one thing. Due to your dedication and commitment towards school, How do you manage to give time to your family? How do you strike a balance between your personal and in professional life?
Good evening, all my Sattvites. First and foremost, I would like to thank Radio Sattva and today's RJ for inviting me to Sattva Studio in Man Ki Baat, which is an excellent platform to interact with my students. Today I have with me Krish Bansal with a question that I'm sure every woman can relate to. How do I strike a balance between work and home? Krish, you won't believe, but just a few days back I read on WhatsApp, which has unrefutably become daily motivation guru for all of us. The WhatsApp message said, "Have you heard a man say, I don't know how to balance work and home?" And the answer is certainly no, never. This is because society doesn't have such expectation from a man. Whereas a woman is perceived as a nurturer, a caregiver, looking after the needs of the family is considered to be her top priority, though she may be a CEO of an MNC. This made me think and wonder and trying to recollect from life's long experiences. But I could not remember even a single instance where I had heard a male exasperated and did not know how to manage work and home. WhatsApp Gyan Guru can certainly be an eye-opener and thought-provoker. Yes, it made me smile, a wry smile. Jokes apart, child, I do not want to sound like a feminist, but I am a humanist at heart and believe in equality and equal distribution of responsibility. To speak about me, I too have had my share of juggling, managing, and balancing the various roles. Nothing different from others. Krish, I have been very fortunate in life in this matter. As I always say, Sattva Vikas is not an institute, it's a family where children are nurtured with love and care. Sattva Vikas School is my extended family. So in this context, I am blessed with not just one son. My students are my children too. I always feel very connected and share a deep bond with my Sattvites. Also in Sattva faculty, I have found my soul sisters and brothers. I consider myself to be lucky as I am surrounded with a large family, the Sattva family. Being an absolute workaholic, I enjoy my work and don't mind putting an hour extra. Krish, I'm not at all into kitty parties or social media crazy and troubled by FOMO, as you guys say, fear of missing out. So I spend quality time with my Joshi family as well. Basically, I enjoy and thrive on my work. You kids keep me young and energetic all the time. And also a supportive family at home makes things easier. The chores at home are shared by all, be it laundry, cooking or dishwashing. Always remember, delegation of duties makes more effective and efficient everything that we do. The most helpful way to accomplish this is to set aside specific time on your schedule for personal and professional to-dos. I always have a written to-do list with me every day, even at home if guests are coming. So that makes me make the most of my time management. That's what I believe. See, dedicating time to one area helps me stay focused during those moments and ensure I'm giving my all to the task at hand. Krish, I have always made it a point to share my daily experiences at school with my son. Right from childhood, he has been listening to it. My small family has always been part of my journey and take pride in it. Today, even though settled in USA, my son still looks forward to listening to Sattva stories. He is connected with my professional life as well. I eat, drink, sleep Sattva. That's a fact which cannot be changed. I'm so blessed that I get to celebrate all the festivals like Diwali, Holi, Navratri twice, once with all the Sattvites and once at home. Child, finding work-life balance is all about prioritization. Planning and scheduling, time management, communication and productivity technique help me manage my workday so I can complete the tasks on my to-do list quicker. I try to give my full attention to specific tasks regardless of whether it's work or home related. In short, my simple 3-step funda to get the most at work and home. Set your priorities and stick to them and don't deviate from the task. Let your family enjoy your journey and everything can be achieved if one is willing. So, child, one need not worry and one can, at times maybe you have to stretch a bit. You may not get your 8 hours beauty sleep. But if you want to do it, you can achieve everything in life. I hope when you take up your career, even you are able to do the same. Thank you, Krish, for such a wonderful question. You are listening to number one radio station, Radio Sattva 20.03.
Economics is a science that studies human behavior, which aims at allocation of scarce resources in such a way that consumer can maximize their satisfaction, producers can maximize their profits, and society can maximize its social welfare. It is all about making choice in the presence of scarcity. कुछ समझ में आया? नहीं आया ना? Actually, economics was a very dry subject, but अब ऐसा नहीं है. इस ड्राई सब्जेक्ट को बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट बनाने के लिए आ रही हैं आपके सामने ग्रेड 12 की कृष्णा. Stay tuned to radio station 20.03 FM by the Sattvites for the Sattvites.
You are listening to number one radio station, Radio Sattva 20.03.
Heartfelt greetings to my Sattvites, and I am Krishna from Grade 12 Commerce. And today I'm going to talk about my favorite subject, and that is economics. एक दो line में I'll tell you what the subject looks like, but चौंक मत जाना. Okay, so who is an economist? An economist is an expert who will tell you what will happen today and what he predicted yesterday and all that. समझ आया? नहीं ना, एक और बार हो जाए. An economist is an expert who will know tomorrow why the things he predicted yesterday did not happen today. ये सब सुन के इतना tricky लगता है ना, but just imagine the pain I go through learning this subject. But whatever the case may be, the subject has the most and very important, amazing aspects in the world. But you know what? मेरा subject is completely based on assumptions. Like if this would happen, then that would happen. अगर ऐसा होता तो वैसा होता, and many things like that. And that makes it the most dynamic subject. हमारा इतिहास भी ये चीज की गवाह है. We produce the best economists in the world. Kautilya's अर्थशास्त्र talk about the dynamism and vibrancy of this subject. हमारे अमर्त्य सेन is the Nobel Prize winner of his theory for his contributions to the welfare economics. So now, have you got any idea where this economics has its origin from? The word economics basically comes from two Greek letters. So that is eco and nomos. Eco is home and nomo means accounts. The subject has been developed from being about to how many families accounts into the wide ranging of subject today. Oh, since say, don't you think our mothers are the best economics in real sense? And let me tell you when this subject was first introduced as a subject. Its effective birth was around 1776. when the Scottish philosopher Adam Smith, and he and his father were in economics as well. He is the first economist of the world और हमारा देश भी कुछ पीछे नहीं है. As you know, Mahadev Govind Ranade as the father of modern economics. Not bad, हाँ. हमारे आसपास जो भी पैसे का मैनेजमेंट होता है और हो रहा है, all that in this economy, and that we could take care of our economy by earning hard, saving well and paying the taxes regularly. I hope I have told you enough about my subject. But one more thing, do you know who is the current finance minister of our country? नहीं पता है ना? चलो ढूंढो. Thank you.
Radio Sattva, brand new, epic.
હેલો ડિસેમ્બર. અને ડિસેમ્બર આવે ને એટલે આપણને યાદ આવે ક્રિસમસ. ક્રિસમસ ઇઝ ધ રીઝન ફોર ધ સિઝન. અને ક્રિસમસની યાદ આવે એટલે એની સાથે આવે મિસ્ટર સેન્ટા ક્લોઝ અને એમના બેસ્ટ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ. કોણ છે એ બેસ્ટ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ? સાંભળીએ ફ્રીહા ફ્રોમ ગ્રેડ 2 પાસેથી, ઓનલી ઓન સાત્વ રેડિયો 20.03.
You are listening to number one radio station, Radio Sattva 20.03.
You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it blows. All of the other reindeers used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history.
Radio Sattva, brand new, epic.
बच्चों को सबसे प्यारी चीज़ क्या लगती है? कहानी सुनना. जब हम छोटे थे तो हम हमारी दादी और नानी से कहानियाँ सुना करते थे. उसी प्रकार आज आपके सामने एक बहुत ही प्यारी सी स्टोरी के साथ आ रहे हैं व्योम. So stay tuned to Radio Station 20.03 FM by the Sattvites for the Sattvites.
You are listening to number one radio station, Radio Sattva 20.03.
Hello friends, are you bored at home? Listen my story, The Great Elephant. One day, an elephant went into a jungle. He searched for friends. He saw a monkey on a tree. An elephant asked, will you be my friend? And monkey replied, but you are too big. You can't swing on a tree with me. An elephant he met a rabbit. An elephant asked, will you be my friend? And a rabbit replied, but you are too big. You can't play with my ball with me. An elephant very upset. And next day, elephant saw all the animals running here and there. And elephant asked the fox, what is the matter? And fox replied, there is a lion. He wants to kill us. And lion asked, Mr. Lion, don't take these poor animals. And lion angry, mind your business. And elephant got angrily. And lion ran away. And elephant came back and gave the news. Lion ran away from the jungle, and all the animals become his friend. Moral of the story, friend in a net and friend in a day. Thank you.
Radio Sattva, brand new, epic.
હા, મીઠા બોલા ગુજરાતી અમે, ભાષા મારી ગુજરાતી છે. ધન છે ગુજરાતને, ધરતીને ધન છે ગુજરાતના લોકો. આખા ભારત ભૂમિની શાન છે ગુજરાતની ધરતી. અને આવી જ વાત કરવા આપણી સાથે છે ક્રિશી ધોરણ 7માં. તો સાંભળતા રહો પાક્કા ગુજરાતીને ઓનલી ઓન સત્વ રેડિયો 20.03. સાંભળજો હો.
You are listening to number one radio station, Radio Satwa 20.03.
જ્યાં જ્યાં વસે એક ગુજરાતી, ત્યાં ત્યાં સદાકાળ ગુજરાત. જ્યાં જ્યાં બોલાતી ગુજરાતી, ત્યાં ત્યાં ગુર્જરીની મહોલાત. હું કૃષિ ગજ્જર ધોરણ 7 સત્વ રેડિયોમાં તમારું સ્વાગત છે. આજે હું તમને ગરવી ગુજરાતની ગાથા કહીશ. ગુજરાતીઓ જ્યાં વસે છે ત્યાં ગુજરાતની સંસ્કૃતિ અને અસ્મિતાને જાળવી રાખે છે, એનું જતન કરે છે. જય જય ગરવી ગુજરાત, દીપે અણુ પ્રભાત. આ કાવ્ય પંક્તિ ગાતા જ આપણા હૈયામાં ગુજરાત પ્રત્યેનો પ્રેમ ઉભરાઈ જાય છે. ગુજરાત ભારતની પશ્ચિમે આવેલું એક સમૃદ્ધ રાજ્ય છે. ગુજરાતની પશ્ચિમે અરબી સમુદ્ર, ઉત્તરે રાજસ્થાન, પૂર્વે મધ્યપ્રદેશ અને દક્ષિણે મહારાષ્ટ્ર આવેલું છે. ગુજરાતની ધરતી પર નર્મદા, તાપી, મહી, સાબરમતી જેવી મોટી મોટી નદીઓ વહે છે. ગિરનાર, પાવાગઢ, ચોટીલા, શેત્રુંજય જેવા પર્વતોથી ગુજરાત રળિયામણું લાગે છે. ગુજરાતમાં સોમનાથ, દ્વારકા, પાલિતાણા, અંબાજી, વડતાલ અને ડાકોર જેવા યાત્રાધામો આવેલા છે. દર વર્ષે લાખો યાત્રાળુઓ દર્શન કરવા આવે છે. ગુજરાતને વિશાળ દરિયા કિનારો મળ્યો છે. તેના કિનારે કંડલા, વેરાવળ, બેડી, માંડવી જેવા બંદરો આવેલા છે. ગુજરાતના ઉભરાટ, તિથલ, ડુમસ, સાપુતારા અને ચોરવાડ જેવા પ્રવાસ ધામો આવેલા છે. ગુજરાતની સંસ્કૃતિના ઘડતરમાં અનેક સંતો, લેખકો અને કવિઓનો ફાળો છે. ગુજરાતીઓ સાહસિક વેપારીઓ છે. પ્રાચીન કાળથી જ ગુજરાતી વેપારીઓ પ્રદેશ સાથે વેપાર ખેડતા રહ્યા છે. આઝાદી પછી ગુજરાતને પ્રગતિની હરણફાળ ભરી છે. ખેતીવાડી, શિક્ષણ, વાહન વ્યવહાર, ઉદ્યોગો વગેરે ક્ષેત્રમાં ઘણો વિકાસ સાધ્યો છે. અંતે એટલું જ કહીશ કે ગુજરાતી પ્રજા વીર, ધીર, જ્ઞાની અને પ્રેમાળ છે. આભાર. શુભ દિવસ.
Radio Satwa, brand new, epic.
सत्वजनों, हम फिर से हाजिर हुए हैं आपके समक्ष कुछ ज्ञान बांटने के लिए. तो सुनो, हमें स्मार्ट नहीं बल्कि सरल होना चाहिए. हमें स्मार्ट नहीं बल्कि सरल होना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमें भगवान ने बनाया है, सैमसंग ने नहीं. हरिओम हरिओम हरिओम.
Radio Satwa, brand new, epic.
अब आपके सामने एक प्यारी सी धुन लेकर आ रही हैं कीबोर्ड पर ख्वाहिश फ्रॉम ग्रेड 9. Stay tuned to radio station 20.03 FM by the Satvites for the Satvites.
You are listening to number one radio station, Radio Satwa 20.03.
I am Khoaisha from grade 9 and today I am going to present Gina on keyboard.
Radio Satwa, brand new, epic.
बच्चों का फेवरेट फूड आइटम क्या है? पिज्ज़ा। पर ये पिज़्ज़ा जब मम्मी बना के दे तभी हम खा सकते हैं, पर अगर हम इसको बनाए तो मज़ा आ जाएगा। आइए सुनते हैं चीज़ी पिज़ी मोनाको पिज़्ज़ा की रेसिपी हमारे सत्व के लिटिल मास्टर शेफ मानस फ्रॉम ग्रेड 1 की जुबानी, ओनली ऑन सत्व रेडियो 20.03।
You are listening to number 1 radio station, Radio Satwa 20.03.
Hello friends, I learned one non-gas recipe from my mother, and that I want to share with you. I am Manas. My recipe is Monaco pizza. To make Monaco pizza, we need Monaco biscuits, tomato sauce, chopped onion, chopped tomato, chopped capsicum, and lots of cheese. Take 6 Monaco in a plate. Then put some tomato sauce on each of them. Then add some chopped onion on each. Then add some chopped tomato on each of them. Now we add some chopped capsicum. Then finally put lots of cheese on it. Now our Monaco pizza is ready. मुंह में पानी आया, आप भी घर पे बना सकते हैं। Thank you friends.
Radio Satwa, brand new, epic.
आज इस कोविड-19 के दौर में each and every person of the entire world is waiting just for vaccines. Yes friends, आपके सामने वैक्सीन्स के बारे में ढेर सारी इंफॉर्मेशन के साथ आ रही हैं काव्या जैन from grade 10. So stay tuned to radio station 20.03 FM from the Satwites by the Satwites.
You are listening to number 1 radio station, Radio Satwa 20.03.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk about the vaccination. So first of all, let's see what is vaccination is. Vaccination is a simple, safe and effective way of protecting people against harmful diseases. Before they come into contact with them, it uses your body's natural defenses to build resistance to specific infection and makes your immune system stronger. Vaccines train your immune system to create antibodies just as it does when it's exposed to a disease. However, because vaccines contain only killed or weakened forms of germs like viruses or bacteria, they do not cause the disease or put you at risk of its complication. Most vaccines are given by an injection, but some are given orally, means by mouth, or sprayed into the nose. Vaccines reduce risk of getting a disease by working with your body's natural defenses to build protection. When you get a vaccine, your immune system responds. It recognizes the invading germ such as the virus or bacteria and produces antibodies. Antibodies are proteins produced naturally by the immune system to fight diseases. Okay, so this was all about that what is vaccination. Now let us know that which vaccines are available in Indian market till date. Okay, so there are following vaccines in the Indian markets. First is diphtheria, second is measles, third is mumps, fourth is pertussis, fifth is acute poliomyelitis, sixth is paralytic poliomyelitis, then rubella, then congenital rubella syndrome, smallpox, tetanus, then hepatitis A, acute hepatitis B, then Haemophilus influenza type B, then pneumococcal disease, and at the last varicella. Now let us talk about the current situation. Now we all are, the whole world population is eagerly waiting for the coronavirus vaccine so that life can be back to normal. I hope the vaccine launched soon. Now there is some good news that before some days we have heard that Britain has given permission for the use of Pfizer vaccine. We are hoping a positive result in India also very soon regarding coronavirus vaccine. Thank you.
Radio Sattva, brand new, epic.
आपको पता है बच्चों का फेवरेट फेस्टिवल कौन सा है? यस, यू आर राइट, इट्स क्रिसमस. क्रिसमस इज ऑल अबाउट सेलिब्रेशन. इसीलिए क्रिसमस को सेलिब्रेट और विश करने हमारे सत्व स्टूडियो में हमारे साथ है प्रीत फ्रॉम ग्रेड 7. सुनते रहे सत्व रेडियो 20.03. इट्स कूल.
You are listening to number one radio station, Radio Sattva 20.03.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your King. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bring us some fitty pudding, oh bring us some fitty pudding, oh bring us some fitty pudding, and bring it right here. Puddings we bring to you and your King. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Until we can get some, we won't go until we get some, we won't go until we get some. Bring it right here. Tidings we bring to you and your King. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. All like a fitty pudding, we all like a fitty pudding, we all like a fitty pudding. With this good cheer, tidings we bring to you and your King. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Radio Sattva, brand new, epic.
Wishing you a very Merry Christmas. May it brings you joy, happiness and everything else you deserve. આવી અનેક શુભકામનાઓ સાથે અદ્ભુત અને નવા જ્ઞાન સાથે આપણે ફરીથી મળીશું નવા એપિસોડ સાથે, નવા સત્વ કલાકાર સાથે. ત્યાં સુધી સાંભળતા રહો સત્વ રેડિયો 20.03 બાય ધ સત્વાઇટ્સ ફોર ધ સત્વાઇટ્સ.
You are listening to number one radio station, Radio Sattva 20.03, live from Sattva studio in a sizzling hot Ahmedabad. Chill with Radio Sattva because dosto, it is cool.